Hey guys, Miss Qualchik here for another phonics lesson. So we're going to do same as usual. We're going to review our sounds that we've learned before, review the words that use those sounds, and then move on to our new sounds and finishing off with our common exception words. Alright guys, so we're going to review our old sounds first. We're going to go through them slowly the first time. I'll give you a chance to say them at home, and then I'll say the sound just to make sure that you're saying them properly. Alright, let's get going. Very good, and that was our sound that we did yesterday. Very good. Oh, sorry. D. Y. Sh. W. Z. Qu. X. Ch. Z. J. V. K. B. Very good. Well done, guys. All right, I'm going to mix them up. We're going to go through them as quickly as you can. Try and make sure that you can say every single one of the sounds. All right, are we ready? Very good, you guys. Very impressed with that. All right, now we're going to review our words that use those sounds. So we're going to do a few of our words. So I'll show you how to do the first one, and then after that you're going to do them first. So we have long. Your turn. Fantastic. All right, your turn first now. Win. Hush. Chin. Thing. We'll do two more. Six. And last one. Oh, and it's upside down. Thought I'd throw you a curveball there. Shop. Fantastic. All right, what we're going to do now, I'm going to give you 3 words that you guys are going to write down either on your piece of paper, on your whiteboard, or in the air with your magic finger. I will do one with you first. And then after that, you guys are going to do it independent, and then we'll do it together to check that you did it right. So our first word is going to be yell. Yell. So we have l. So we have our 3 sounds. So then when we write them, we have and then our is our double sound, so it should look like that. All right, now it's your turn to do some independent words, right? So your first word is going to be quack. And with this word, our k sound is at the end, so it is usually a double k sound if it's at the end of the word. So it is a double k sound this time. So quack. So sound it out first. Then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have quack. So when we write it, we have qua, and then our double k sound, quack. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, your next word is going to be a little bit of a tricky one. It is liquid, liquid. And this has 5 sounds in it, so find your sounds first and then write it down for me, please. Liquid. All right, so we have e, qu, e, d. E, qu, e, d. So when we write it, we have e, qu, liqua, equa, e, d. So we have e, d. So it should look like that. If it does, give yourself a big tick. That was a tough one, so very well done. If it doesn't, please just correct it. And your last word using our old sounds is visit. Visit. This one also has 5 sounds, so sound them out and then write them down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have visit. V, I, s, it. V, I, s, it. So when we write it, we should have V, I, s, it. So it should look like that. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, guys, now we're going to move on to our new sound. Fantastic. So let me just get it ready here. All right, our new sound is A. A. A, A, A. 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 Fantastic. And our sound looks like this. Can you please write that on your whiteboard 4 times for me, please? Go ahead. All right, guys, what is our new sound? A. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to hide our A sound in our new words. All right, or sorry, I'm going to hide our new sound in our old sounds. And when you see A, I want you to do this, like rain, because rain has our A sound in it. So when you see A, I want you to go down like this, please. All right. So are we ready? I'm going to hide it in there. All right. Qu. X. A. Fantastic. Let me hide it in there again. Ch. Z. A. Fantastic. Hide it in there again. We'll do it 3 more times. K. D. Y. A. Fantastic. Hide it in there 2 more times. W. N. Z. B. A. Fantastic. And one last time. Sh. J. A. Fantastic, you guys. Really good job with our new sound A there. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to read some words that have our A sound in them. I will do the first one for you, and then after that, you're going to do it. And then after that, you'll do it first, all right? So, P, A, N, pain. Your turn. Fantastic. T-A-O, tail. Really good job. B-A-T, bait. This is a name. G-A-O, gale. Do 3 more. S-A-O, sail. Fantastic. R-A-N, rain. Just like our action that we did. Fantastic. H-A-O, hail. And last one that we're gonna do. M-A-N, Maine. Fantastic. All right, what we're going to do now, we are going to write down 3 words. Well, you're going to do 3 words independent, but I will do one with you to start, okay? So we're going to do aim to start. So aim is a nice, easy word. There's only 2 sounds in it. So it's A-M. A-M. So we have A, which is our new sound there. And then aim. All right, now it's your turn to do it first. So you have the word wait. Wait. So sound it out, write it, and then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have w-a-t. W-a-t. So when we write it down, we have w-a-t. Wait. So if you got that right, give yourself a big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, our next word for you to do is chain. Chain. So sound it out and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have chain. Ch-a-n. Ch-a-n. So we have our ch sound, which is a newer sound for us. We only learned that last week. Ch-a, which is our new sound for today. Ch-a-n. Chain. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Right, and our last word that you're going to write today is faith. Faith. So sound it out and then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have faith. A. Lovely. So we start off with our f sound. Then we have our new sound, which is our A sound. A. And that's a newer sound for us. We only did that one last week as well. So we have our f sound. If you got that right, give yourself a big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, now we are going to review our common exception words. So we're not going to learn a new word today because we learned they yesterday. So we're not going to learn a new word today. We're just going to review them. Okay, so I'm going to pick 5 words that we're going to write after we go over them. All right, let's review them. They, very good. My, are, you, all, was, be, she, we, and back to the beginning. Fantastic. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to mix them up. We're going to go through them as quickly as we can, all right? So very well done, you guys. All right, now I'm going to pick random 3 words. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, those are 3 really good ones. And we're going to write those down on our board. Now remember, our common exception words, we do not sound out. We just need to know what they are. Okay? So our first word is our word from yesterday, which is they. They. So please write down they on your board, on your paper, or in the air. Lovely. They should look like that. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right. Our next word is we. Please write down we on your board. All right, and we should look like that. If you got that right, give yourself a big tick. It's fantastic. And our last word that we're going to write today is all. All. I miss you all. All right, so write down all for me, please. All right, and all should look like that. So if you got it right, give yourself a tick. Fantastic, guys. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you tomorrow for phonics. Bye, guys.